Hello my friends, I'm Lisa Lee. I'm going to show you our dental 3D printer C190. This printer is focused on model printing. Here is the operating system. You set the printing parameter here. Then I'm going to print the model on the printing platform. This printer have many advantages. For example, it could print the arm straight and straight hole together. You can see the arm straight hole here, and also could decide a sort height of the model, and decide the hole here to say the resin material. This will help you to say cost to print the model. So this is our 3D printer C190, focused on print dental model.